Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to our JASMY video update. And I've been through this with you, and Signals is open once again for those who want to join. The link is in the description of the video, and I gave you my technical target for JASMY in yesterday's video as well, that hey, JASMY is coming down to 2,995, and look at that perfect technical target to the downside for JASMY. You can always watch the video that I made yesterday, and look at that. Right banger, right? So again, another prediction came true, and if you've been watching this for a long time now, then that has been a drop that you have saved, a 17% drop. As a matter of fact, if you look at it from this place, when I warned you here, that's still 33% drop that you saved, and we still are waiting for more, because I'm still looking to save my 58% drop, because we still are not done yet. The reason why we're not done is the following. On the daily time frame, we do have these three red candles back to back, and we've made three black rows, so you can expect another continuation pattern here on the daily again. And that continuation pattern, a bear flag can actually appear here, make a bear flag sideways movement. That's my personal take about it, because after three black rows normally is followed up with a bear flag, and from there to there we could be looking at 2437 as being your next technical target as well. That's pretty much it for this update on JASMY right now. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.